Assalamu alaikum viewers. I am Muhammad Sadaqat Ali. Welcome you all to my channel Learn English with Sadi. If you want to enhance, if you want to modify, and if you want to correct your knowledge about the basic concepts of English grammar, English literature, or English linguistics, subscribe my channel, like and watch my videos. In the previous video, we discussed and studied some of the basic concepts of English phonology like the digraph, trigraph, allophone, phoneme, and so on. And what we were left with were was the syllable structure that we shall study today and discuss its basic structure, how it is composed of, and what are the parts it comprises of. So let's start with the syllable. So viewers, before moving on towards the structure of a syllable, I think it's important to have a look at what is syllable and some of its description. As I told you earlier, that the speech sounds that are produced in one pulse of the chest are called the syllable. The segment of the speech sounds that we produce in one pulse of the chest. Next point is a unit of organization, or in fact, a unit of the organization of the speech sounds. We may also call a syllable as the phonological building block of a word, because without a syllable, a word could never be constructed. So words get constructed with the help of the building blocks like the syllables. So we call the syllable as the phonological building blocks of a word. So main what are the basic uh, things that we enter that combine to form a syllable? That a consonant and a vowel. There may or may not be a consonant in a syllable, but there must be one vowel in a syllable. There must be one vowel sound in a syllable. So it's compulsory for a syllable to exist that it contains one vowel with or without consonants. And as far as the structure of a syllable is concerned, a syllable consists of two parts: one onset, that is the first initial part of a syllable, that comprises of consonant or consonants. The next part of a syllable is rhyme. Rhyme consists of a nucleus that would be a vowel sound, and after a vowel sound, the last part of a syllable is coda, that also comprises of a consonant or consonants. But the main point to keep in mind is that for a syllable to exist, there must be a nuclear vowel. There may or may not be the consonants, the initial and the final consonants in a syllable, but there must be a central vowel in a syllable, or the central vowel as nucleus in the syllable. So the main summary of the structure we studied previously was that a syllable is a segment of the speech sounds produced in one pulse of the chest that we speak in one flow is called a syllable. So I told you that onset comprises of consonant or consonants. So there would be the maximum number of three consonants as onset. Maximum number of three consonants could serve as the onset in a syllable. The vowel, it holds the position of the nucleus, without which a syllable is not possible to exist. Next part of the syllable is coda, that that could have the maximum of four consonants in it. I would like to repeat the main basic point of a syllable to exist, that there could be the onset or coda. It means that a nucleus can exist without onset or coda or the consonants, but it can never exist without a nucleus or the nuclear vowel. A syllable can contain one vowel, but without a vowel, a syllable could never exist. And the longest vowel, longest syllable in English consists of three onset consonants, one central vowel, and four coda consonants. And the example of that structure of the syllable is the word strangled. Strangled. You may see that the first consonant is s, then t, then r. These three are the onset consonants. Next, a is the vowel that serves as the nucleus in this vowel syllable, and the last four consonants serve as the coda in this syllable structure. Ng, g, l, d. These four are the coda consonants. So viewers, now let us move towards the types of syllables. I'm sure that the structure we just studied is very much clear to you. So now let's start the types of syllables. The first one is the monosyllabic words, the words that consist of only one syllable. The examples are I, E-Y-E, the word I. It's phonologically transcribed or symbolized as a, the vowel, and E, short E sound. These two vowel sounds make up this syllable I. Next one is cat. Cat. The first sound k is the onset consonant, central vowel a, and coda consonant t. These three uh, let sounds, these three phonemes make up this monosyllabic word cat. We may see that all these words mentioned in front of the monosyllabic words are single syllables, but they are the full words. Like I, we produce this word in one pulse of the chest, yeah, in one flow. Next one is cat, eagle, star, sun. These are the monosyllabic words. Next type of syllable is the disyllabic words. Disyllabic, the words which consist of two syllables, like hotel, hotel. We speak these words in two flows, in two pulses of the chest. Hotel. Next is starting, common, baby, mistake, sunny. These words are the examples of the disyllabic words, words that consist of two syllables. In the same way, the next type of the syllable is trisyllabic words, the words which consist of three syllables, like commonly, suitable, Washington, wonderful. These all these examples are produced or pronounced in three pulses of the chest or in three flows. So these are the trisyllabic words. The di and trisyllabic words may also be classified into the polysyllabic words. The polysyllabic words are the words which consist of two or more syllables. But the specific term for the words consisting of two syllables is disyllabic words or bisyllabic words, and that those for the three syllables are called the trisyllabic words. So I classified the remaining, the syllables which consist of more than three the words which consist of more than three syllables into the polysyllabic words like hospitality. It's a word that consists of the four syllables. Hospitality. It consists of five syllables. Next word is certificate. It's four syllabic word. It consists of the four syllables. The next word is understanding. It's also a word that consists of four syllables. So these are the polysyllabic words. We may classify the disyllabic and trisyllabic words into this category, but the more specific term to those bisyllabic and trisyllabic words is that as mentioned in front of you. So the words which contain more than three syllables would be termed as the polysyllabic words. And at last, there is an exercise to this topic. Some of the words, five words are shown in front of you. You will have to classify these into the syllables. You have to separate these words into the number of syllables they contain, and mention also that how many syllables do these words contain. So viewers, that was all for today. Thank you very much for being with me, for taking this lesson. Like this video and comment in case of any query. Subscribe my channel for more updates. Allah Hafiz.